kasi sobrang ano yan eh. Napaka friendly, tsaka napaka social. Parang lahat gusto niyang kaibiganin, lahat gusto niya i-share.
Walang masamang tinapay.
Walang masamang tinapay, no? Lahat gusto niya friends. Ganun siya. Ganun siya ang uring bata.
Guess it's my lucky day. Everything's going my way. And it feels nice to say I'm feeling lucky today. Ba-ba-ba-ba-da-ba. Ba-ba-ba-ba-da-ba. And it feels so nice to say I'm feeling lucky today. It's not
Napakamasunurin.
Sunurin, no?
Sobrang studious in terms sa grades, sa studies. Wala kaming masasabi kasi halos yung last exam niya, perfect lahat.
Social butterfly nga daw yung tawag ni
Sobra.
yung teacher niya sa kanya. Isa sa mga social butterflies niya sa klase niya.
concerning me, and I'm free. I'm like a four-leaf clover.
Now let's give it up for our birthday boy, Zane. Let's clap our hands, everybody.
Guess it's my lucky day. Everything's going my way, and it feels so nice to say I'm feeling lucky today. Ba-ba-ba-ba-da-ba. Ba-ba-ba-ba-da-ba. And it feels so nice to say I'm feeling lucky today.
Just like yung sinabi ni Wonka dun sa movie niya, it's good to share your chocolate with friends.
Everything's going my way. Everything's going
Music Bed.
Guess it's my lucky day. Everything's going my way, and it feels so nice to say I'm feeling lucky today.
Happy birthday, Zane. Know na we are very proud of you. Sobrang natutuwa kami to see you grow, to pursue your dreams and to share with others. So tuloy mo lang yan. I hope and I pray that God grants you yung ano man yung
Your
dreams
heart's
mo.
desire.
Yung desires of your heart, yung dreams mo.
And Daddy and I are always here to support you kung ano mang gustuin mo. If you wanted jiu-jitsu, swimming, basketball, o ngayon nahilig ka sa piano, we'll support you all the way. Just let us know. We'll support you every step of the way. Nandito lang kami ni Daddy.
Yeah, happy birthday, Zane.
Happy birthday,
Love you.
Zane. We love you. Our greatest blessing from God.
Guess it's my lucky day. Everything's